So guys, as you can see, our compounded positions on Ethereum are playing out perfectly. And I did say that Ethereum has the potential to be one of the best performing cryptocurrencies of this year. Now, of course, everybody's talking about Bitcoin, but we kind of knew that Ethereum would likely produce larger gains in percentage wise than Bitcoin, just for the simple fact that we still believe that Ethereum is significantly undervalued. Now, you may ask why. When we compare Ethereum to Bitcoin, Ethereum has a, let's just say, a more a better use case. Basically, you're right. Most of the cryptocurrencies that we're currently buying into, such as Chainlink, are built on the Ethereum platform. And yes, Ethereum is still, when it comes to transactions, is not as great as the blockchain technology, isn't as great as Polkadot, etc. That's besides the point. I feel like what we have to think about with Ethereum is, does Ethereum become the new, I don't want to use the word safe haven, but does it become the new store of value, right? Will investors start looking at Ethereum the way they did with Bitcoin, especially as large institutions and new investors come into the market? They'll weigh up the two coins and say to themselves, wait a second, this coin is currently valued at the moment, $1,500. Bitcoin is currently valued over $30,000. What would make more sense percentage wise in terms of short term growth anyway? Ethereum, hands down. And in fact, in the next video, I'm going to talk about altcoin season and how you could take advantage of the bull run that we're about to see. Now, remember, Ethereum, we've been compounding from day one. We were more bullish on Ethereum early 2016-17 than we were with Bitcoin, just because we saw a better use case, and also, again, it was significantly cheaper than Bitcoin as well. So obviously you can pour in a lot more money. And as you can see, we are now at 1,500. Now, where do we go from here? Typically, a lot of people are going to start pouring their money in at this level just because price is pretty much going in a straight line now. But is that a good idea? For me personally, it's not something I will be adding any buy positions on. Price has to pull back for me to buy again. However, I do anticipate Ethereum closing in around 2,500, between 2,500 and $3,000 before the end of February. This is a classic breakout pattern that we're seeing here, and once we do clear all-time highs, I do expect a significant move to the upside. And what we could see is a move like that we've never seen before. It'll be similar to what we saw with Bitcoin in 2017. Now, this will cause a lot of hype, a lot of people to pour money into this market, which will drive price up even further. So we could hit 2,500, 3,000, and then price will then pull back. So this is what it could look like. So price could move pretty much in a straight line up to $2,500, and then we will see price go all the way back, maybe to 1,800 or $2,000, maybe even lower. We could see price go back down to 1,500. But we are potentially going to see a significant bull run on that, on this particular coin. So targets are set for 2,500 to $3,000 per coin. I'm still predicting a close around 5,000 to $7,000 per coin. If you would like to know why, watch our previous video or comment below and I'll do a completely new video going more further in depth on this cryptocurrency, Ethereum. And again, because I can pretty much say that because this particular coin has been around for such a long time, technical analysis is fairly effective when trading these kind of coins. So let's just draw out a structure level. So this is what we're looking at now. Price needs to break this level in order for us to see that massive rally that we're talking about. And again, price may not pull back this much, right? Because if we do see a massive rally in cryptocurrencies across the board, price could pretty much go back to 2000 and then start to make its way up to the 3000 area, which is what we were, we can also potentially see by the end of February, and then we can start to consolidate. So price will start to maybe range around 2,500 to 3,000, and then we could start to see that slow trend to the upside. And again, do not feel like you're missing out here, right? There's always an opportunity. Knowing what I know about Ethereum and just the fundamental data, this is a coin that I would buy at least one of. And anywhere below, even at this level, if I owned no Ethereum, I personally would buy one coin. Now, I wouldn't trade at this level. What that means is I wouldn't buy hoping for a large percentage increase and then a pullback to the downside. I will be expecting a pullback before I do that. But if I'm just looking to buy a coin and hold for the next 10 years, this is the price I would buy at comfortably, right? And that's it for now. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm about to post a new video going more in detail with Ethereum, and then I'm going to talk about altcoin season. And like I always like to end the video by saying, seize the day.